It is set 1.3. Fill in the blanks with correct number. So the determinant is 3, 4, first column, and the second column is 2, 5. Cross multiplying, we have 3 5s are 15, minus 2 4s are 8. So it will be 15 minus 8, that is 7. Second, find the value of the following determinants. So the first determinant, minus 1, 2, 7, 4. Cross multiplying, we have minus 1 multiplied by 4 minus 7 multiplied by 2. That is minus 4 minus 14. So the answer is minus 18 for the first sum in the second example. Then the second example, 5, 3, minus 7, 0. Cross multiplying, we have 5 multiplied by 0 minus 3 multiplied by minus 7. So this will be 0, this will be minus 21, and outside we have minus sign. So it will be plus 21. So the value of this determinant is 21. Third one, 7 upon 3 and 3 upon 2. Then 5 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Cross multiplying, we have 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2. So this will be 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. This will be minus 8 upon 6, which is nothing but minus 4 upon 3. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. The first sum, 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now finding D, we have the first two columns. So for D we take the first two columns, 3, 4 and minus 4, 3. Cross multiplying, we have 3 3s are 9. Minus of minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. So it will be 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. So D, the value of D is 25. Now value of dx. First, finding dx, we bring the third column in place of the x column. The coefficients of x column will be changed by the third column coefficients. So it will be 10, 5 and minus 4, 3. Dx determinant is 10, 5 minus 4, 3, which is 30 minus of minus 20. Minus 4 into 5 is minus 20. So this will be 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20, which is 50. Dx is 50. Therefore x is equal to dx upon d. 50 dx upon d is 25. So the value of x is 2. Now dy, finding dy. So we write the first column as it is and bring the third column in place of the y column. So it will be 10, 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. So it will be minus 25. X is equal to dx upon d. Dx upon d. Dx is 50 and d is 25. So the value of x is 2. Now finding the value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d. Dy is minus 25 and d is 25. So it will, y will be equal to minus 1. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Now, arranging these equations in the standard form, we have 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. Finding the value of d, determinant d, we have the first two columns 4, 6 and 3, 5. 4 5s are 20, minus 3 6 are 18. So it becomes 2. So by Cramer's rule we have to solve it. The equations given are 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Writing these equations in standard form, we have 4x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. Finding the determinant, we have d is equal to the first two columns 4, 6 and 3, 5. And solving it, we have 20 minus 18 which is equal to 2. Now finding the dx column. So dx, it will be the third column, which is minus, third column is 4 and 8. 4, 8. And the second column, which is 3 and 5. So calculating the determinant, we have 4 5s are 20 minus 8 3s are 24. Which is minus 4. dy, calculating dy. For dy, therefore x is equal to dx upon d, which is minus 4 upon 2. So it is minus 2. Y is equal to dy upon d, 8 upon 4, it is equal to 2. So x is minus 2 and y is 2. Sorry, y is equal to 8 upon 2, which is 4. The value of y is 4. Third example, x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So how do we find d? Determinant d is equal to the first two columns 1, 2 and 2 minus 3. Cross multiplying, we have 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 minus of 2 into 2 4. This is equal to minus 7. Dx, for calculating dx, we bring the third column to the first column place. It will be minus 1 and this is 12. D, how do we find d? D is equal to the first two columns 1 2 2 minus 3, which can be solved like minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 2 into 2 4, so minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Dx, for calculating dx we bring the third column to the first column place, so it will be 1 minus 1 12 and 2 minus 3, so this will be minus 1 into minus 3 is 3, so it will be 3 and this will be 12 to the 24, so this will be minus 21. And dy the first column 1 2 and the third column minus 1 12, so it will be, this is 12, so this will be 1 into 12 12 minus of minus 1 into 2, so it will be minus of minus 2, so it will be 12 plus 2, which is 14. Therefore x is equal to dx upon d, which is equal to minus 21 upon minus 7, which is 3, and dy y is equal to dy upon d, dy is 14 upon d is minus 7, so it will be minus 2. So the values of x and y are 3 and minus 2. Fourth sum, 6x minus 4y, 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Finding d, we have d is equal to the first column 6 8 and the second column minus 4 minus 3. Cross multiplying, we have 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Minus of minus 4 into 8 is minus 32. So this is minus 18 plus 32, which is 14. Now dx, finding dx, we bring the third column to the first place, so it will be minus 12 minus 2 and this will be minus 4 minus 3. So the product of two negative quantities is positive. 12 3s are 36, minus again product of two negative quantities will be positive, so it will be plus 8. So 36 minus 8, which is 28. Dx will be 28. dy is equal to 6 8, the first column, and the third column minus 12 minus 2. This will be minus 12 and the product will be minus, and outside we have minus, so it will become plus 96. 12 8 is 96, so it will be 96 minus 12, which is 84. Therefore x is equal to dx upon d, dx upon d, which is 28 upon d is 14, so x is 2. Y is equal to dy upon d. dy upon d. dy is 84 upon d is 14. So y is equal to 6. Fifth sum, 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. 4m, and the second is 3m. 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. So determinant D will be equal to the first two columns, 4, 3, 6 and 2. This will be 4 2s are 8, minus 6 3s are 18. So this will be minus 10. dm will be equal to 54, the third column 54, 28, and the second column 6, 2. So this will be 108 minus 6 8s are 48, 4, 6 2s are 12, and 4 16. So this will be minus 60. dn, you take the first column 4, 3, and the third column 54, 28. So multiplying 4 by 28, cross multiplying, we have 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 2s are 8 and 3 11, minus 54 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 5s are 15, and 1 16. So this will be minus 50. M is equal to dm upon d. dm is minus 60 upon d is minus 10. So value of m is 6. N is dn upon d. dn is minus 50 upon minus 10. It is equal to 5. Therefore solution mn is equal to 6, 5. Sixth sum, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and the second equation can be written in the simplified form. In the simplified form, by multiplying the equation by 2, we have 2x minus y is equal to 1. These are the two equations. So the value of d is equal to 2 to the first column and the second column, 3 minus 1. So it will be minus 2 minus 6, which is minus 8. dx will be equal to the third column, 2 1, and the second column 3 minus 1. So this will be equal to minus 2 and minus 3, which is minus 5. dy will be equal to the first column 2 2, and the third column 2 1. So this will be 2 minus 4, this is minus 2. Therefore x is equal to dx upon d. dx is minus 5 upon d is minus 8. So it will be 5 upon 8. and y is equal to dy upon d. Dy is minus 2 upon d is minus 8. So it will be 1 upon 4.